Hey everybody, welcome back to Heartline Rebuilds. Today I'm working on the Maverick Hybrid XL. I'm going to be spraying in a bed liner because it doesn't come with it. So today I'm going to be using a Raptor bed liner kit. Follow along. I'm finally ready to mix this up and start spraying. I need to pour this into that up to this fill line and then pour from the fill line into this bottle, shake for a couple minutes, put the gun on there, and then go to work. So I want to make sure we get your eye protection. 2 minutes of shaking. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the end of the video. I just got the bed liner finished up on here. It can't get wet and it is pouring out right now. Oh, I don't really know what I'm going to do with that. I may have to stay in the shop until it stops raining, which might be a while. That sucks. Anyways, well, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know how I'm doing. Leave me a comment and I will see you on my next video. Bye.